Sugar Bunny!
Hey there, Sugar Bunnies! Another video for you! As always, watch for that hidden candy! Today I'm going to open an LOL Glitter Series ball. Then I'm going to make some slime to match whoever we get. So first we'll need our ball. LOL Surprise. 7 surprises, the dreaded zipper. Hey, I spoke too soon. That was a good one. Alright, our first layer is our secret message. Did you solve it? It's Glitter Bomb. Round and round to find the zipper. There it is. Maybe this one will cooperate too. Nice, it did. 2 for 2. Here's our collectible stickers. Will they color change, spit, tinkle, or cry? Excited yet? I'm excited if I can get the zipper. That would be awesome. Well, that wasn't exactly the right way, but I still got it. So the third layer holds our bottle. Ooh, pretty. Everything just seems better when you coat it in glitter. Almost there. 4th zipper. Not a good one. Okay, that was a new way to open it. The 4th layer has our shoes. Here they are. 5th and last zipper. Wait a second, is there even a perforation? On the left side it's barely there. This one's gonna be trouble. I knew it. Well, it had to come off eventually. Our 5th layer holds our outfit. Oop, lost something. Here's the bottoms, so that means that I dropped the top. And here they are together. It looks like some sort of sports outfit. It's just a lot of red glitter. Time to open our ball. And inside we have our doll and checklist, the handle, and we have 2 accessories. Here's one, and here's the other. And last, our instructions. Here's our first accessory. It's really small. It's like a little gold necklace. Is that all? I thought I found something else in there. I guess not. Oh, okay, it's like a little gold chain. Let me focus it so you can see. There you go. And now our second accessory. It's like a little red sweatband. Definitely sports related. So finally, our doll. And here she is! There's some glitter on her face from her hair. That's better. Her hair is nice and glittery. Alright, let's get her dressed. So here's our checklist, and I see our doll right in the middle there. MC Swag. And she will either tinkle or cry. Let's find out. I've got her bottle, and all I need to do is just fill it up. Then feed it to her. She had glitter all over her face from the bottle. Alright, let's see! Oh, she's crying! Maybe her team lost a game and she's really upset. Don't worry, MC Swag, you'll get him next time. So here she is. We will be giving her the crying sticker to show that we got the one that cries. Alright, what I see on MC Swag is a whole lot of red glitter, so I think I'm going to be making some slime with some red glitter in it. I'm going to be making clear slime, so here's what you'll need. Borax Activator. I made this by using 1 cup warm water and mixing it with 1/2 teaspoon borax, and then I dissolved it. You won't be using all of it, but it's good to have extra just in case you need more. I've measured out 10 teaspoons into a smaller container. 1/2 cup of water. We'll be using equal parts of water and glue. And in my bowl, I've already measured and poured out 1/2 cup of clear glue. Pour the water into the glue and stir it as you're doing it. Time to add in our glitter. How much you add depends on how glittery you want it. Then stir. It wasn't looking glittery enough for me, so I'm gonna add some more. When that's all mixed, we're going to take our 10 teaspoons of the borax activator and slowly pour it in while mixing at the same time. Then keep on stirring. Now that everything's mixed together, I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Time to take it out of the bowl and start working on it. I can feel already that it's still really sticky, so I'm gonna need to add some more activator. When I do, I'll just be adding it 1 teaspoon at a time. So I am back with a much less sticky slime. Let's see what it can do. The slime looks a little bit white right now, but that's just because there's air bubbles trapped in it. I think MC Swag wants a turn. I made a bubble! The end. So I wanted to try something with the slime. We're gonna make an LOL slime ball. And there you go. Nope, stand up. Stay. Oh, again. Stay. There you go. let's try to make an LOL ball for real this time. Add MC Swag. Quick, the bottle! This is totally working out great. And she's starting to lay down. She's relaxing in her bed of slime. Look at that. That is happiness right there. Let me show you closer. Look at that face. That is pure bliss. She is so happy. She loves laying in slime, and you can't tell me that she doesn't. Slime Angel. So I put my slime in this container, and I'll come back and show you in a few days what it looks like when it's actually really clear. I've been asked before if I name my slimes, and I think this is the first one I'll name. I'll name it MC Swag. Until next time! And today's shout out goes to Anime Unicorns, who was the first person to comment my last video with her favorite candy. If you want a shout out, subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when a new video comes out and can be the first to comment. See you soon! Become a Sugar Bunny, subscribe, check out my other videos, like, comment, and remember Sugar Bunnies, stay sweet!